subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new smartphone under Note series in Japan called Redmi Note 10 JE. And although it looks similar to earlier launched Redmi Note 10 5G or Note 10T 5G smartphone, but it has some difference in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi Note 10 JE features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz adaptive refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Redmi Note 10 JE supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 12.5 skin on top, and it houses a large 4800 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IPX8 or IP6X certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, infrared port, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163 by 76 by 9mm and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi Note 10 JE has been priced in Japan at 22,885 Japanese yen, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from August 13th in chrome silver and graphite grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 10 Japanese edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.